name is Nandya Jadia and I am from D8. In this video, I will share how I created lamp cover from Fusion 360. So first click on create menu and create sketch. Use front axis view and then use shortcut L and draw a line of 135 mm and the other two lines of 23.40 and 45 mm. Then select the curve option and draw a curve from 45 to 23.40. Use a green line to adjust your curves and then click on finish sketch, and then you can adjust the curve from from blue lines as well. So under the create menu, go under option revolve and then select the body you just created, and then for the axis go with the Z axis and then click on OK. Now we will divide it into another body. So for that, under the construct menu, go for offset plane and then type -8 and then your offset plane is created. Under modify menu, go for split body and then select the object and then select the offset plane and then click on OK. So your body is now divided into two bodies. Hide body number 1 and go with body number 2. So draw a circle of 42 mm. You can use shortcut C. So we will create a holder like structure for the lamp. So for that, use shortcut E for execute menu and then select the circle you just created and then drag it down and use option cut instead of any other option and click on OK. So you will see a holder appears, holder like structure. So we will hide again body number 2 and we will go with body number 1. So for that, you can see a beautiful structure. So select the under modify menu, go with shell option and then click on top surface and then click on bottom surface. So we will create a hollow surface. For that, again type 1.6 mm and then click on OK. We will divide this body again into another body so that you will see a two surface, top and bottom surface, and in middle you will see a design. So use the same steps you use the step you created body number 1 and 2. Under modify, you can use split body option and then select the body and then select the offset plane and then click on OK. So you will see your body is now divided into 3 bodies, but we will work with body number 1, so hide body number 3 as well. So now we will work with body number 1. Under the create option, go with the patterns and then select the pattern and then select the body. Don't select any other thing and then draw two parallel lines or any lines you like according to you. I'm gonna go with parallel lines. So draw two parallel lines and then use the option execute. For that, you can use shortcut E. Select the two strips which you just created and then select you just have to select the two strips. Don't go like selecting the entire object because this will just eliminate the strips. Then go for symmetry on both the sides. Then use intersection, don't go for cut this time. And then in this, select the option to object and then again select the strip and then click on OK. So you will see now a strip appears. So under the create menu, go with the option circular pattern and then click on the pattern. Select the object, select the strip and then select the body option and then select the strip and then type like how many for the axis, go with the Z axis and you will see a dialog box appear. So type how many strips you like. I'm gonna go with 8 and then I'm gonna type OK. So you will see a beautiful pattern appears. You can do again the same with the opposite direction strip. You can type as many strips you like.